guys, QUEENIFICATION1 back at you again with yet another video, and today's video is going to be about this wig. It is another eBay wig, you guys. It is a micro braided wig. I'm so sorry, you guys. I know I probably look a little... Oh, my forehead looks ginormous. Okay. Anyway, a few weeks ago I did another video about another braided wig that I bought from eBay, and I told you guys for like the longest I had been looking for another braided or twisted wig that looked a little bit more natural than my reggae twist wig. I did a video on that as well, probably like last year sometime. I will link that below in the description bar so you guys can check that out, as well as above in a card somewhere so you guys can see that as well. But this wig is just like this wig that I mentioned and wore in a couple videos, and I told you guys I had two of them, so I wanted to kind of hold off on showing this wig until I got like a good wear, a good few wears out of it, so I can tell you guys how good it wears and all of that good stuff. So the wig I wore before is this micro twist wig, you guys, and it was a burgundy color, and it has this little just one little small part of lace, just so it looks a little bit more realistic, I'm assuming. You know, so you can wear it as a middle part, and you can also wear it like off to the side, which I normally do with the burgundy wig. I wear it kind of shifted to the side, so I'll have a side part, but with the black wig I tend to wear it as a middle part and just kind of tie, you know, take the two sides and just tie it in the back like I would with my normal, like, you know, putting braids in my hair. But these wigs are 24 inches. Like, they are super long. I know I have on a black shirt, you guys, but they are super duper long. They go all the way down to my hip, and I absolutely love it. It looks very natural. I mean, for the most part, you know, of it being like a braided wig and all that good stuff, but it looks fairly good for a braided wig, you guys. So again, actually I'm going to show you again how the wig looks on the inside. I'm going to have to like search and see like where I got it exactly, what distributor or whatever you want to call them on eBay. I'm going to search and see like where I got it from and see if they still have them in stock and stuff like that. And when I find that information, I will update the description bar below to let you guys know where exactly I got it from. If not, if I can't find it, I will definitely suggest to you guys to just look on eBay. Now, you can't always trust what you see. Sometimes you gotta kind of, you know, you kind of gotta bite the bullet sometimes and just see if it's a really good wig. Now, these wigs cost me about $90 each, and I really thought that was kind of cool, because when you think about it, when you go to the salon to get your or the braid shop to get your braids in, you're gonna pay at least like $100 or more for the hair, depending on what type of hair you get, if you get like human hair or whatever like that. But you're going to be buying plenty of packs of hair, and then you're going to have to pay them to actually put it in your hair, and then, you know, all that stuff. So it ends up being about $400 or $500, depending on how you get your braids and how long and all that good stuff. So I thought this was like a good trade-off. So for the two wigs, it cost me about $180, and I was like, shoot, I could keep wearing them, and they're going to look like I have a fresh, you know, have my hair freshly twisted over and over and over again. So I thought it was kind of a good trade-off. But anyway, the cap is kind of like, it's just like a netting kind of thing, and it has one, like I said, it has one little piece of lace right there. That's all you're gonna get. It's about a good, I would say, maybe 3 inches. And then it has the little adjustable straps on the sides, but there are no combs in this. I mean, once you put the adjustable straps together and you put it on, you can bobby pin it down or whatever like that, and it kind of stays secure. But I would have preferred some combs. Now, you can always, like, I would say, like, sew in some combs, but it stays pretty tight to my head. Like it's pretty tight, you know, on my head. So I don't really worry about it. But I mean, you could always, you know, sew in some combs, or you could bobby pin it down. And I usually bobby pin it down in the back. But yeah, it stays pretty snug, and I never have a problem with it. And I wear it, you know, I wear it to work and all that other stuff, and I never, like, it doesn't slip back or anything like that. I never have that issue. But as I say, it's an eBay wig, you guys, and it is crazy because I've seen some of those wigs on there, and you know, they have taken pictures from other people and pretended that it's something that they did. But sometimes you can find really, really good. You just kind of got to do your research, just like with anything else. You kind of really got to do like your research on that eBay seller and look at their ratings and things like that. And the person that I got my wigs from, she had a really good rating on her wigs, and I did ask her questions and things like that, and she was very obliging, and she answered all the questions that I had. So I felt comfortable enough to like give her money. You know what I mean? So like I felt comfortable enough to give her money. So I ended up with these amazing wigs, you guys. Yeah, so that's really about it. That's kind of all I wanted to say today. But as I said, I will link everything below in the description bar, as well as put a card above somewhere so you guys can check out the videos that I did do on the burgundy wig that's just like this. Yeah, so that's it. Happy Friday, you guys. I hope to see you in the very next video. Until then, take care.